Once upon a time, there were 6 little students who went to college, who was at a camp called Video Fire Alarm. And they sing a song that starts off with, stay alone, walking down the beach. Hold on. What? So, yeah, stay alone, walking down the beach, and I'm saying hi to the family, friends, and folks. Oh, oh. Then all of a sudden, on a stormy night, when it was very dark and the full moon out, everybody in the store that was called Video Fire Alarm, okay, went bazooka. Bazooka, 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 bazooka. It's so horrifying. See, kind of like the movie we saw, but more horrifying, like the movie Barney. When that when that blip scary. Trust me, I've seen it once before. The End of the World will come in 2016. Sorry, let's just say for part 1. To be continued. They are alien. They are alien nice. Thanks, everybody. If I'm going on, and I hope you like that, so I can do another one. Give me 3 I need 10 likes and 3 people to comment on it. Then I'm gonna do it part 2. If you like the thanks, bye. That'll be all. Family and family / friends and folks.